up, y'all? It's your girl Black Rihanna, and I am back with another video. Today's video is just gonna be a quick hair review on a wig that I got from FUHSI wigs. If you watched my very first YouTube video, then you know that I did a hair review on their wigs before. They contacted me to do another review, and they sent me this wig in this chocolate brown color, or I would say it's like a dirty blonde. The first wig I did was 613. I actually really like this color on me, but it's basically the exact same wig as in my last video, but I just had to come on here and show y'all the details. They are doing a new campaign, so I guess they have a website now, and I will have that link down below with my coupon code. This is the new box that it comes in. It kind of looks like a shoe box, and this comb came with it, which is needed because I need this for my real hair too, but this is a really thick comb, sturdy, and this hair is so thick. It looks kind of shiny on camera, but it's not really shiny in person. I did not do anything to this wig. It actually haven't even got any shedding. As you know, it already comes, if you know anything about FUHSI wigs, you know they already come pre-plucked with baby hairs. I just didn't put any baby hairs down. I didn't cut them out either. There it is. I just pushed everything to the back, glued my wig down and pushed everything to the back. I did like a side part this time because I felt like I gave you a middle part last time. Yeah, like I don't know what else to tell you guys. This is pretty much the same as the first wig I had. It's a 13x6 frontal. I didn't pluck or anything. I just have it glued down. I'm really loving this color though, guys. I will have the exact link down below. They didn't send me a link or anything. I didn't pick this wig. They just sent me a random color. I will have all of the information in the description box for you guys. If you would like to purchase this wig, don't forget to put in the coupon code. The wig is 22 inches long, and I am 5'10", so it falls like right below, well, I would say my waistline. It falls at my waistline. Not human hair. This is a Kanekalon Fiber. It's heat resistant up to 377 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes with the wig style guide, just like the other wig does. Hold on. There we go. I should put some, I think might put some mousse just to hold my baby hairs back, because like I said, the wig is pre-plucked, so. But it says heat friendly synthetic hair. It said maybe used on low settings up to 377 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Now I'm gonna be honest, my other wig, I feel like I put 400 degrees on it and it did not melt. But I mean, if you want to do that, I would suggest you testing out a strand. Don't just go straight to your hair and think you want to do it. I feel like it was pretty heat resistant, so I did not do anything. I did not spray anything on this. Literally, this is the hair straight out of the package. I just glued it on my head and combed it. It's so soft and it just feels good. The only thing I do not like about the wig is how thick it is. It's very thick, but when I tell you it only looks shiny on camera, it's not really shiny in person. Everything about this wig linked down in the description box. The color number, the length, the price, and the link to it. And also I'm gonna, even though I'm gonna have my coupon code across the screen, I'm also gonna put that in the description box as well in case you decided not to watch my video. You can kind of see the white in my scalp, but that is not the lace. That is from the wig glue that I used. I didn't let it dry all the way before I put it on, before I put the wig on, so like not even noticeable. But anyway, if you have any questions about this wig or anything at all, just go ahead and leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay updated by hitting that notification button. Also, these are 27mm lashes in the style Dallas. These came from my my website, which I will also link below in case you need some affordable lashes to go with your pretty wig, because they don't know I'm all affordable snack. They don't know I'm wearing a wig that's under $100 and my eyelashes is under 30. Matter of fact, these are the most expensive pair of eyelashes I have on my website, and they're under $30. Like, no bullshit, no bullshit. Maybe I should turn around for you guys one time. Just so you can see how it looks from the back. this wig is really thick, but like I think I've learned how to pretty much maintain it. So, and if you carry this, well, I would hate to get popped with this when I was a kid, but if you carry this around with you, then this is perfect. Like, this is better than a wig brush because it's like really thick and hefty. If you like this wig, go ahead and like this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment. If you have any comments, go ahead and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. If you missed my first video that I made with this company, then you should go all the way back to my very first video, or I will have that link down below actually for you guys, so you don't have to go back. I think that video was pretty detailed. It was like 15 minutes long, but I'm not making this video that long because I know you guys don't like to watch long videos. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a blessed day.